Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Glad to see you again today. And today episode, I'll be making delicious noodles. Just simple but very delicious. Just regular noodles, or you can use whatever kind of noodles you have. So let's get cooking, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button and thumbs up. Yeah. So let's get cooking, okay? All right. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. Right now, we'll go ahead and start. I have my water in the pot, so while it's boiling, I'll grab some chicken flavored noodles. I'll be using 5 of them today. So I'll go ahead and tear them up and put them in a bowl and pour the hot water over the bowl and then set them aside just to melt them up while I move on to the sauce. Let's get the sauce cooking. Just clean up quick. So I have my pot. I place them in the hot heat. You guys already know by now, I love using coconut oil a lot because the coconut oil gives any recipe at all that you're cooking. Coconut oil brings it to the next level. So you don't want to miss that taste. If you have coconut oil, please go ahead and use it. So I have my tomatoes, my onions, my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll start off, just go ahead and put the onions in there. So I'll just go fast through this recipe. I don't want it to take so long. So it's just quick recipe. So once you put your onions and just stir them around and let it cook for like few seconds. Once the onions start changing color, becoming so translucent, go ahead and put the tomatoes and let it cook. Just after you're done turning them around, just let it cook for like a minute or two. So you can also use your grapeseed oil. You can use any kind of oil that you have available if you don't have coconut oil. So after a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see, the tomatoes are softened up, both the onions. So I'll go ahead and add my seasoning. You can use your own seasoning. So here I have my onion powder, just like any kind of seasoning that you want. So it doesn't have to be what I'm using. So just use your favorite seasoning. Put them there and put some stock cube, 1 stock cube. So I'm using none. So I'll go ahead and put the 2 non-stock cube to that sauce. And my scotch bonnet pepper, I'll go ahead and put that in as well. And this is my ginger. I got this out from my freezer, so I'll go ahead and just grate some in. Use my grater. Just go ahead and put some. And then stir them together and make sure that the stock cube are all dissolved. You don't want to be eating and getting stock cube in your food. So make sure that everything is melted out. So now I have my shrimp. So I go ahead and clean them. I already cleaned them out before, so I have 2 left. So just showing you guys what I did. I removed the tails. I don't want the tails to be in there, so I removed the tails from the shrimp. So pour everything back there, and then it's already cooked. So this is like already cooked shrimp. Already cooked shrimp, so I don't have to like overcook them or cook them for so long. They are already ready to go. So go ahead and put my title sardine. You can put any kind of fish of your choice. So this is what I have available, so I'm using that. So like I said, use any kind of fish you have. You can even use mackerel fish, You can use any kind of fish at all, or any kind of canned fish that you have, just use it. So I added some frozen vegetables. So this is a bell pepper, the orange, the red, and the green, and the yellow one. So I just cut them up and put them in my freezer, and then use them whenever I feel like. So, this is the coronavirus time. You just have to stock up food in your house. So I added a little bit of water. So probably that didn't show in the camera. Maybe I did that outside the camera. So I added a little bit of stock, some water in that sauce before I cover them up to cook. And here is my noodles. They are all softened up. As you can see, they're all in one piece right now and long. So I still have some water left. So I'll go ahead and drain those water out. So I already drained all the leftover water out of that noodles. I don't want them in there. So like I said before, I added some water inside the pot before I cover them up to cook. Just about half a cup, just a little bit of water. I don't need too much. So after that, go ahead and return your noodles back in that pot and stir them until everything incorporates with each other. Like turn them very well until everything is combined. And we are almost done. So I didn't even use those spices that comes in the noodles. I didn't use them because I didn't need them. Not that I don't use them. I can use them sometimes depending on the kind of recipe that I'm making. So, but on this one, I choose not to use them at all. So my lunch or my dinner, whatever time I'm making this food, is done. Actually, this is lunch. So my noodles are all ready. Can you see how nice that is looking? Looking so yum. So go ahead and add some eggs, hard-boiled egg, and enjoy your delicious noodles. What do you guys think? That looks delicious, right? And it tastes delicious as well. So I'll go ahead and put those spices away for next time. If I need it for something else, I'll go ahead and use them, but for now, put them away. I wish you guys can taste these noodles or Indomie, whatever you call it, and be the judge. This tastes amazing. I can't say how much or how good this tastes, but just go ahead and try this recipe out and come and thank me later, okay? Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll go ahead and enjoy this my noodles and have a very good rest. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, okay?
Jesus' mother helped her. Jesus' mother.
Let's go and eat it. It's a little bit hot.
Jesus' mother had married his daughter. Did he say marry his daughter?
No. Okay, guys. Sorry about the noise. Just my little son practicing his Station of the Cross for the Easter. Okay. I'll see you guys on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe so you know whenever I post any recipe, any delicious, mouth-watering, tantalizing recipe. Yeah, of course. So guys, like I said before, I'll see you next time and stay safe. This period, the coronavirus pandemic is all over the place. Yeah. So don't forget to stay safe, do whatever thing you have been told to do to keep you and your family safe. And I will see you guys next time on my next video. All right, remain blessed. Bye bye.